You've been given a system of linear equations, and you've been asked for the value of x. And as I look at this would be easy if I could just eliminate y. So right now I've got negative 8y and negative 4y. So if I were to double the top equation, but make it negative, then I would get positive 4x. Here's where it's important. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8y. Negative 2 times 60 is negative 120. Now if I were to add these two equations, x and 4x is 5x. Negative 8y and positive 8y make 0y. I've just eliminated my y. And 120 negative and positive 10 is negative 110. Now as I divide both sides by 5, x equals negative 110 divided by 5 is negative 22. That was my answer.